Well, guys, today we are going to draw with you some glasses to study. To start drawing glasses, we need to draw one circle on the ground and then draw here one rectangle. If your rectangle is now horizontal like mine one, you can press on the right or left key and it will be vertical. Now you can draw from center one rectangle. You can make it bigger or smaller, it's up to you. Now, draw the edges of your glass. My first glass is going to be like Turkish glass. I'm going to draw arc, click, click, and click, again, click, click, and make it click. So this is my first glass, and I'm going to use here pencil tool to close it. Now I'm going to use here something called offset tool. Offset tool is the beautiful tool that helps you to make the walls inside. We have used it before. Offset tool. Now I have beautiful glasses. Now I need here to close the part. I'm closing it by using arc tool because I don't want to cut it roughly. It's going to be beautiful cutting from the side, let's say. Okay. Is it okay? I think no. Let's draw it again. Quick. No, it's over here. Yes, and make it like this. Okay, here we have to close this part also to have one worm. We are drawing something that looks like a worm that's coming out of a circle. I'm using here the eraser tool to erase some parts that we don't need anymore. All we need is this worm and the circle. Now, make the look so I can see the bottom of all of them. Now I'm using here our favorite macaron tool. It's called Follow Me tool. I'm selecting the worm, click, and then walk across the circle. So when I walk across the circle, it comes with me. Yes, it's sometimes maybe slower than I need, and click when you finish. So now I have beautiful glass. Now, yes, my glass is too big, I know, but no problem. Now I'm going to draw some hands for this glass. That's why I'm going to take from its center and draw the rectangle. It's really important to make on its center. Now, what am I going to do? I'm going to make it vertical, push pull, and then use here drawing options to draw the hands. It's going to start from somewhere here and here there will be some circle, and then use pencil tool to make it end. I think it's beautiful hand. Now I'm going to draw its circular part. Here you can make a circle or a rhomb. It's up to you. I will draw a circle. Perfect circle. I think this is normal. Okay. Now delete unnecessary parts. I don't need anything except for this arc and circle. Delete the lines inside also. Now I'm going to use follow me tool and follow this line to make it look like hand. I'm telling you. Clicking on it and then following the line. Okay, let's try. Follow me tool, clicking and then walking across the line. and go to the end of the line. Okay, I have a beautiful hand. Here, when we move the hand, there will be some problems that we are going to solve. It will be hardest thing today. I'm going to use Move tool. We have used it before. Yes, to use Move tool, firstly, I'm taking Selection tool. I can triple click on it or select by drawing rectangle. Okay. Now, when I select all of them, I'm using Move tool and moving it. Okay, moving. I think I have to move it a bit down. Yes, I made it. Okay. Now, is it normal? Maybe not the most beautiful thing on the wall, but it's okay. Now, inside there will be a problem that we are going to solve with you. How to solve this problem? Firstly, you have to select the surface, okay? And then say, intersect with model. Intersect with model. Now let's try. If I delete it, okay, it's deleted. Unnecessary part can be removed. It may take some time from you, but that's okay. Also, we can use here, select all, and then delete. Okay. Now we have deleted unnecessary parts. Let's look. Okay, the first one is ready. I'm going to draw the second part. For the second part, again, draw here one circle. There will be two of them today. This is the first one. This is the second one. Second one will be much more easier. Again, to make it vertical, I'm pressing on the left. Then from its center, drawing one rectangle. Now come to this rectangle and draw its sides. It will be really easy because I'm going to use rectangle tool. Making one rectangle. This, okay. Click and make it rectangle. Now just using 2-point arc tool to make the smooth ends, yes. And use eraser to delete unnecessary parts. Now again, I'm going to use Follow Me tool. Okay. And walk across the circle. It's perfect until I do. And again, you can draw one hand and move it. So you can draw the hand yourself, or you can just let's try to copy what it will happen. Okay. Okay. It's perfect. Now, here also you can go inside it and delete unnecessary parts by using here we have both of the sides, yes. You can come, select the surface, and then say, okay, again, select it, model. Now I can use eraser to delete unnecessary parts. Yes, deleting one by one may be slow but necessary. Once, okay, we finished. So I have here beautiful two glasses. Now I'm going to make here several glasses. They will look different. How to make it? I'm going to select one of them. Select the first one. And by the way, we have to delete as many. Yes, okay. Now I'm going to copy it, okay, by using Control key, press on it once. Now I have copied. I see the black glass, and use now something called resizer. This is a resize tool. I'm going to resize it so it will look as if it's different one. Okay, I can make it like this, different sizes. We can play. Also, we can make it rotate. How to use rotate? When I'm pressing on it, come to the edge. Okay, how you want it to move? You want to move it across the blue axis. This is the blue axis. And when you press on it, you have to click on it and move. This is the blue axis. Also, you can move it across the another axis. Here we can see with you, press left, okay, green axis, click on it, click again, and moving it across the green axis. If you need exact one angle, you can press right. For example, I want 30 angles, enter. Okay, so why it's necessary, I have to see them, move it, and reshape it. So I'm going to select this one again, use Control key, moving it, then resizing it, can make it, for example, smaller, then rotating it. I want it to be on the green axis, that's why I'm pressing left key. Okay, now I can type here exact size what I want. Oh, okay. Now I want it to move 45 angles. Okay, why it didn't move? Because I didn't press again. 45, enter. Okay, that's all. I have different things on the different lines. Now I need to recolor them and type the text. For the text, we use here 3D text. Write the text on the ground so that it says what the model is this. For example, let's say the first one is called Tour 32. Okay, you also can change here. They are so small, but you can select some fonts. Okay, you can also change their size. Okay, it will be the first one again. Right here, something like. If you need, you can resize them. You can resize them while you're typing or by using this scale tool again. And scale tool, as you see here, you can move it vertically, horizontally, okay? And also we can move it from this side, it's up to you. Okay, write the text on each of them, make its photo and send me.